Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to my another brand new video. So in this video I'm talking about how you can clean up your C drive properly. Without wasting time, let's get started. Right click on start and click on run. Then you need to write down temp, T-M-P. Then click on OK. And it needs some permission, so continue. Select all and shift delete and hit the enter. Some files are not deleted, so leave it. And again go to the run and write down percentage temp percentage and click on OK. Again select all the files and shift delete. OK. Continue. Some files are also not deleted, so skip it. So close the tab and again go to the run and write refresh. refresh and click on OK. It also needs permission, so continue. Select all. Select all and just press shift delete and click on it. Some files are not deleted, so skip it and close. The second option is recycle bin. Sometimes we forget to delete the recycle bin data and the space of recycle bin is nearby 50 GB. If you are deleting some files, it is stored in recycle bin, but when you are not cleaning it, it fill up the C drive. Double click on recycle bin and then empty recycle bin. And yes, this file is completely deleted. Number 3 is uninstall. Sometimes we are installing some files which are not necessary, so uninstall those files. Click on start and write down uninstall. So click on add or remove programs. It takes few seconds. Uninstall those apps is up to you. Just click on it and uninstall. Number 4 is optimize C drive. So go to this computer and right click on it go into the properties and select tool and click on optimize. Make sure that you are selecting on C drive and again click on optimize. And this program takes some time. Just close all the tabs. The final step is disk cleanup. Click on start, search disk cleanup. click on disk cleanup, select your driver, then click on OK. Then click OK. After scanning, select all and then clean up system files. After that, it again scanning and select all. Delete files, and it is cleaning up my driver. After that, check your C drive. It is cleaning up a lot. If you want some more space in C drive, then delete some unnecessary data from your selected folders. Then you can find more space in here. Let's see. Going to the document. Suppose shift delete. Yes. Download. Select all and delete. See, the space is. See, you can find a lot of space in here. That's for today. See you in the next video. If this video is helpful for you, you can give a thumbs up. And if you don't subscribe my channel yet, then you can subscribe my channel, because I am uploading this type of video every single week. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.